Hello, I'd like to do a little tune for you. It's called Redbird. I learned it from a Byron Berline album from many years ago called Dad's Favorites. And as many of you probably know, Byron just passed away last week. I think his funeral's today. But anyway, I worked this tune up many years ago with a friend of mine named Steve Johnson. It was a banjo fiddle duet. So Steve's not around here, he's in Colorado, so I just do the guitar part. And I'd like to play it for you. So it's called Redbird. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.